Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Tara, a nurse practitioner that loves sharing easy to make recipes and tips and tricks so you can make restaurant quality food at home. Today, we are using our Instant Pot. I know you guys love using your Instant Pot, so do I. What kind of Instant Pot do you have? Let me know in the comments below. We're gonna make a chicken and rice meal prep that is so easy to put together, uses only a handful of ingredients, packed with flavor, protein, healthy fats, healthy carbs. You guys are gonna absolutely love it. Be sure you stay all the way through the end of the video. I know you guys love those recipe cards. So there's a recipe card at the end you could take a screenshot of for easy reference. If you're excited for more Instant Pot recipes, give this video a big thumbs up, grab your Instant Pot, and let's make this really easy recipe. We're gonna start by peeling our onion and then roughly chopping it. Then we're gonna smash down our garlic, remove the skins, and throw everything inside of a blender. I love this hack because it's so incredibly easy, and then you don't end up with big chunks. Next, we're gonna rinse our rice. It's really important to make sure that you rinse your rice really well before adding it to the Instant Pot. All of that extra starch is gonna make it much more likely that you're gonna get that dreaded burn signal. I usually wash my rice at least 2 to 3 times. Then we're gonna grab our Instant Pot. I'm drinking this delicious dry red. Set the Instant Pot to saute on high and then add in the avocado oil. I love this hack by picking up the liner and swirling it around. Then we're gonna add in our ground chicken. I got this from the ButcherBox. If you've never tried the ButcherBox before, there is a link in the description box below so you can check it out for yourself. We're gonna add in our dried spices. Stir everything together. Once it's browned beautifully, we're gonna move it to the side, and I love using this hack also. Add in a paper towel, swirl it around to remove all of that grease. It's so easy. Then we're gonna add in our pureed onion and garlic and give this a head start for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then we're gonna add in our rinsed and drained rice. Next, we're gonna grab our vegetable stock. An integral part of this recipe being successful is making sure that you have enough liquid. Remember, the rice is going to take up a lot of liquid. Normally, we do a 1-to-1 ratio. In this case, we have to use more liquid, or else it not only will it not pressurize, but you will get that burn signal. Ask me how I know. Go on, ask me. Alternatively, you could use garlic broth. You can even use chicken broth, whatever kind of broth you like, or even just use water if that's all you have. Then we're gonna close the lid, set it to high pressure for 4 minutes. We're gonna allow 10 minutes of natural pressure. Then we're gonna perform a quick release. When the pin drops, we're gonna open up the lid. Then we're gonna grab our green beans. I've cooked these in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Just add them on in. Use any kind of veggie that you like, actually. What a simple and easy meal. If you enjoyed today's super easy recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. That way I'll know to make more recipes like it. Also, I would love to know any ideas that you have for a future episode. Drop them in the comments below. Looking for more Instant Pot meal prep recipes? Click the playlist on the screen and I will see you over there. Bye guys.